guys, today I'm here with my special guest, and it's Zane, my brother. Go check out his Instagram after this video. Come on, Zane, let's do it. Oh! It's also for you, Zane. Look! These are yours. This is yours.
Go ahead and open them.
Is this his?
What is this?
Is this his? This is his.
No, that's yours.
Oh, a video game. Thank you, Candy Pig.
I'm gonna open the packages so you can start showing.
Look at this bag. It's pink and it has my favorite animal on it. It's my favorite. And now it's back to you, Zane. Look, a little video game shirt.
Yes.
Yes.
Ooh.
It's so fluffy. Look at mine. It has brown dogs just like our dog Bobo.
It's a robe. And then what does it have? Does it have matching pants?
Yes. Yes.
So cool. Okay, then.
Back to Zane. Look at this. It's a robe.
Ooh. It's got sports on it. And what did you do to match that?
I got this. Yes. This is what I always wanted to do. Skating. But I finally got this. This is so fluffy. I can literally just lay on this. Like, I'll keep it as a skull. Whole video. Look! It's with a robe. It comes with a robe. Oh, this will go perfect with